honors. Cortez Elijah Johnny J. Performance in honors. The London Jessica Yvette T. with honors. And a member of the Drama and Law. Gonzaga Francine Venice C. with high honors. Second place during the SPC editorial writing. First, our SPC editorial writing and SPC qualifier on July 2024 on study performance in communication arts and a member of the Canton Choir.
Churman says.
Laila Ayesha J.M. with honors. Makaliling Aliyah B. with honors. Seventh place during the BSPC editorial writing and an outgoing SCLG treasurer.
Hello!
And of course, a recipient of the Live Language and Islamic Values Education Program. And at the same time, outgoing SCLG treasurer. Medrano Bernard Denise Lorraine with honors. She's also a member of the Drama and Bar, San Fernando South Central Community School, and Canton Choir member. Esperas Elijah May